Hello guys, today I'd like to introduce our another product series for hidden dashcam. And this one is a special design for Toyota Corolla 2020. You can see the details. It will very good quality, just like original. Yeah, and this is the hidden camera. Just you can this one can conceal here. And what do you do? Just to replace this one with the cover of your light reading lights. And this the very good point with this one is that you don't worry about one car have collision that the aftermarket camera will pump out for the secondary damage. So what you can see here. So then what is for us for the installation? The first is just replace this one, and there are two parts of the cable. The first one for power supply, and you can see here just an adapter, and just connect it with this one with this adapter, and this one will connect with original power supply for reading lights. And so you don't need to worry about you should cut the cable. Yeah, that's very safe and easy. Okay, another cable is for this one. You can see here. This is also a back camera, recording camera, and just connect it with this cable here, and then you can stack this one on the back shield or back window. It's okay, and you could record. You could adjust the window and also have a recording for the cam. So yeah, that is all for this products, and this is only for special design for Corolla, but we also have about over 300 modeling for different brand and cars. So if you like this kind of products, then you could leave us a message in comments below. Okay, thanks.